How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, today I want to introduce you to the COSORI 3.7 quart air fryer in red. Look at that, y'all. Pretty red. And they sent this to me about a week and a half, 10 days ago, 2 weeks ago, something like that, for my honest review. And you all know I already have the 5.8 quart, and I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, this is what the box looks like. And this was inside of a big brown outer box. You know how Amazon packages up things. So it was very well packaged with the styrofoam and everything. So let me move this out of the way. Okay. I've been using this for about 2 weeks. So this is what this beauty looks like. Okay, I've taken all the plastic and everything off, of course. So I'm thinking the basket, the drawer was taped shut. So you have to pull the tape off. You have to make sure all the packing material is out of it. This was inside of here. I think there was cardboard up under the fry basket itself in there. And what else? It had, I still got it. It had plastic overlay on here. I kept it so I can show you all. It also had a plastic overlay on the top. Well, I don't want to tear up my book trying to get it off, but this was on the very top. Right there. Okay. Take that back off. It came with a nice thick recipe book. Very nice. Okay. Came with a warranty card telling you to go online and fill out the warranty, and you'll get an extra year of coverage. So it'll make 2 years of coverage. Comes with the user manual. Make sure you read it. And it's in different languages. Comes with a rack. I haven't even taken it. It's like a reversible high-low rack. You turn it this way to make it higher. You turn it this way to make your food lower. It comes with skewers, so they're still attached. I haven't used this. And what else? Let me see. Okay, the air fryer comes with little side grips on each side of the air fryer, so it's easy to pick up and carry. Look at that. One on each side. It has a vent in the back, so this should be not jammed up against your wall when you're cooking, but pull it out some from your wall. And the cord looks like it's about 3 feet long. Nice length cord. And this kind of plug. Polarized. One blade is wider than the other. It has a nice brushed finish, just like the black one. And heating element up here. There it is. It's exactly like the larger one. Okay. Let me show you how the basket looks. Well, that's how it looks. It's the two-piece basket. You have the fry basket with the cover, and you press this down when you want to release it from the drawer. I call this the drawer, or the outer basket. Nice size. I think I fit 6 or 7 wings in here. Very nice, non-stick finish. Exactly like my larger one. This is how the outer basket looks. I see a difference between this and the larger one. The larger one has holes down here. And this one doesn't. Okay. And nice size. You know what? I'm going to measure it up against the 5.8 quart one. This is the large basket. Here's the smaller one. Still a nice size. And did I tell you, you can get a replacement basket for the smaller one, as well as for the larger one, on Amazon. So, Amazon Prime Day is coming up in a couple days. Today is Friday, July the 12th, and Amazon Prime Days are July the 15th and the 16th. That's Monday and Tuesday. So they're going to have special sales. And COSORI wanted me to post a special link that you all can click on, and you can have a chance to win raffles and special bargains. So I'll leave that link in my description box. They even have a wheel you can click on, and it will go to a certain percentage of what they're going to take off. So be sure and check out that special link that I'm going to put in my description box, because you had a potential to win something, and I saw something on there that I wanted. Okay, so like I said, I've already used this, and it cooks wonderful, and it has presets. So I'll be using this a little later to fix some chicken wings or chicken legs, and it has presets just like the larger one. And for my chicken, I always put it on the chicken preset, and my chicken turns out perfect, unless the chicken is very, very little. If it's normal sized chicken, then it turns out perfectly. And once again, this is how the box looks. Here are the presets, because I'm not plugging this in right now. You all will see it again when I cook my chicken, and that will be in another video. But I want to thank you all for watching. Leave me a nice comment. Give me a thumbs up. Check out the links that I post for this. The little bitty one. And it's not so little bitty. And I think it would be perfect for a college student in the dorm room, if the dorm lets them have things like this. Perfect size. Okay. So, you all have a very blessed day. All right. Bye.